My dear student, today I start a new chapter from NCERT, Understanding Quadrilaterals. So here, first, what is polygon? What is polygon? So these are the example of polygon, figures of the polygon, rectangle, and this one is polygon. Definition: a closed, simple closed curve made up of line segment, only made up of line segment is called polygon. A simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called polygon. So this figure is made up of line segment 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. This is the figure made up by line segment 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So these are the example of polygon. In the next page, classification of polygon. There are 3 columns: number of vertices and sides, classification, that means name of the polygon, and figure. So when a polygon has 3 sides, it is called triangle, and this is the figure of triangle. When it has 4 line segment, made up of 4 line segment, it is called quadrilateral. So this is the shape of the quadrilateral. Here 3 line segments are there, 4 line segments are there. When a polygon made by 5 line segment, it is called pentagon. So this is the shape of pentagon. 6 sides, then it is hexagon. This is the shape of hexagon. When the number of sides is 7, line segment is 7, it is heptagon. Number of line segment made up by the polygon is made up by 8 line segment, then it is called octagon. Polygon is made by 9 line segments, it is called nonagon. This is the shape of nonagon. 10 line segments is called decagon, and so on. Next, diagonal. So the line segment joining the 2 non-adjacent vertices. So PQRS is a rectangle. Here P and Q are the adjacent vertex, but P and R is the non-adjacent vertex. So PR is a diagonal, SQ another diagonal. Here ABCD is a pentagon. These are the diagonal. AD, AC, EB, EC and DB are the diagonal. Here AB is the adjacent vertex, but AC, AD and AE are the AC and AD are the non-adjacent vertex, but AB and AE are the adjacent vertex. So AC and AD are the 2 diagonal, EB and EC are another 2 diagonal, and DB also another diagonal. Next, convex and concave polygon. When in a polygon, when each of the interior angle, these are the interior angle. So when each of the interior angle is less than 180 degree, then this polygon is called convex polygon. And when any one of the interior angle is more than 180 degree, then these polygons are called concave polygon. This angle is more than 180 degree, this angle is more than 180 degree, this angle is more than 180 degree, this angle is more than 180 degree. So these are the concave polygon. Regular and irregular polygon. When all the line segments are equal in length and all the angles are equal, then this polygon is said to be a regular polygon. So equilateral triangle, square is an regular polygon, example of regular polygon. And irregular polygon, when the sides are not equal to each other and also angles are not equal, then these polygons are called irregular polygon. Now exercise 3.1 from NCERT. Question number 1. Few figures are given. Given here are some figures. So classify each of them on the basis of the following. So this figure is a simple curve, simple closed curve, and it is a polygon and concave polygon. It is concave polygon, not convex. It is concave polygon. This figure, it is a simple figure, simple closed figure, and it is a polygon made of by line segment, 4 line segments. So it is polygon and it is convex polygon, and it is concave polygon because this angle is more than 180 degree. So it is concave polygon and it is convex polygon because all the angles, all the interior angle less than 180 degree. And this figure, it is simple curve, and it is simple closed figure, simple closed curve. This is also simple curve and simple closed curve. This is simple curve and simple as well as closed curve. Next, question number 2. In question number 2, how many diagonals does each of the following have? First is given A, convex quadrilateral. So in a convex quadrilateral, number of sides is 4. So number of diagonals equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. Here n equal to 4. So 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2. So after that 4 into 1 by 2, it is equal to 2. So number of diagonal equal to 2. Next, B, a regular hexagon. So number of side in a hexagon equal to 6. So number of diagonals equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. So here n equal to 6. So 6 into 6 minus 3 by 2. So 6 into 6 minus 3 is 3. So 6 into 3 by 2. Now 2 3 is 6. So 3 3 is 9. So number of diagonal equal to 9. In a triangle, the number of diagonal equal to 0. Now in question number 3, what is the sum of the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? What will be the property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? So sum of all the angles of a convex quadrilateral, that means sum of all the 4 angles of a convex quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now, if it is not a convex quadrilateral, here ABCD is not a convex quadrilateral, ABCD is not a convex quadrilateral, it is concave quadrilateral, all the angle, this angle is 180 degree, more than 180 degree. So join BD. Now there are 2 triangles, ABD and CBD. So sum of all the 3 angles of this triangle is 180 degree, and sum of all these 3 angles of this quadrilateral is also 180 degree, or in this triangle sum of all the 3 angles of this triangle DBC is also 180 degree. Now adding these 2 relation, here 2 triangles are ADB and CDB. So in triangle ADB, sum of these 3 angles is equal to 180 degree, because we know that sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And in triangle CDB, here CDB, this triangle, sum of the 3 angles here in 180 degree with the same reason. Now adding 1 and 2. So DAB plus DCB, DAB plus DCB plus ABD plus CBD, ABD plus CBD within first bracket, plus ADB plus BDC, ADB plus BDC equal to 180 plus 180 degree. Now DAB plus DCB and sum of these 2 angles ABD plus CBD, in the figure ABD plus CBD equal to ABD, this angle, and sum of these 2 angles equal to this angle. That means DAB plus DCB plus ABC plus reflex ADC. Reflex ADC means this angle equal to 360 degree. So property is hold if the quadrilateral is not convex. Now question number 4. In 4 there are 3 column, name of the figure and number of sides and angle sum of all the interior angle. So here it is a triangle, so 3 sides, sum of all the three angles is 180 degree. It is a quadrilateral, number of sides is 4, and if we draw this diagonal, there are two triangles, so 2 into 180 degree, sum of these three angles of this triangle and sum of the three angles of the triangle is 180 degree, so 2 into 180 degree, so 4 into 2 can be written as 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. 4 equal to number of sides, so number of side into 2, 2 can be written as 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. When number of sides is 4, then there are 3 triangle, 1, 2, 3 triangle, so number of side is 5, so there are 3 triangles, so sum of all the 5 angles, 5 interior angle equal to 3 into 180 degree, so it is equal to 3 can be written as 5 minus 2, this 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. It is a hexagon, 6 sides, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle, so 4 into 180 degree, 4 can be written as 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. Therefore, number of sides minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the sum of all interior angle of a hexagon. When the number of sides is 7, then number of triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 180 degree. So 5 equal to 7 minus 2, that is number of side minus 2 into 180 degree. When it is octagon, number of sides is 8 and number of triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 180, that is 8 minus 2 into 180. That is number of side into 2, number of side minus 2 into 180 degree. When number of sides is 10, then the number of triangle is 8. So 8 into 180 degree, this is the sum of all interior angle. So 8 can be written as 10 minus 2, that is the number of sides minus 2 into 180 degree. That means in all the cases, sum of all interior angle equal to number of side minus 2 into 180 degree. In case of n sides, sum of all interior angle of a polygon of n side equal to number of side minus 2, that is n minus 2 into 180 degree. In question number 5, what is regular polygon? The polygon having all the sides and all the angles are equal is called regular polygon. A polygon having all the sides are equal as well as all the angles are equal, then this polygon is called a regular polygon. Now, number of sides and name of the polygon. When the number of sides of a regular polygon is 3, then name of this polygon is equilateral triangle. When the number of sides of a regular polygon is 4, then the name of the polygon is square. When the number of sides is 6, then it is called regular hexagon. Now, question number 6a. Here, ABCD is a quadrilateral. This is the figure. And this angle is 50 degree, 130 degree, 120 degree. Find the value of x. So we know that sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral, sum of the 4 interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So sum of this 4 angle, that is x plus 120 plus 130 plus 50 equal to 360 degree. So x plus 130 degree plus 120 degree plus 50 degree equal to 360 degree. So sum of these three number equal to 300 degree. So x plus 300 degree equal to 360 degree. So x equal to 360 minus 300 equal to 60. So angle CDA equal to 60 degree or x equal to 60 degree. Question number 6b. In the given figure, BCEF is a quadrilateral. Find the value of x. It is right angle, it is 70 degree, it is 60 degree. So since it is 90 degree, so sum of these two angle is linear pair, 180 degree. So this angle equal to 180 minus 90, so it is also 90 degree. And BCEF is a quadrilateral, and we know that sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So x plus 70 plus 60 plus 90 equal to 180. So from this relation, x equal to x plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 70 degree equal to 360 degree. X plus sum of these three number equal to 220 degree equal to 360 degree. So x equal to 360 minus 220 degree equal to 140 degree. So x equal to 140 degree. Question number 6c. In the given figure, ABCDE is a pentagon. Here ABCDE is a pentagon because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So number of sides is 5. So sum of all interior angle equal to number of sides minus 2 into 180 degree. So 5 minus 2 into 180 degree equal to 3 into 180 degree equal to 540 degree. That means sum of all these 5 interior angle of a pentagon is 530 degree. Now this is 70 degree and BCP, angle BCP plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So BCP equal to 70 plus this angle equal to 180 degree. So this angle equal to 180 minus 70 degree. So BCD equal to 110 degree. So this is 110 degree. Similarly, sum of this angle and this angle is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So this angle equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120 degree here. Now sum of these 5 interior angle of a pentagon is equal to 540 degree. So 30 plus x plus 110 plus 120 plus x equal to 540 degree. So this is the relation: x plus 110 plus 120 degree plus x plus 30 degree equal to 540 degree. Imply x plus x to x plus this plus this plus this equal to 260 degree equal to 540 degree. So 2x equal to 540 minus 260 degree equal to 2x equal to 280 degree. Imply x equal to 280 by 2 whole degree equal to 140 degree. So x equal to 140 degree. Next, question number D. In the given figure, it is a regular pentagon and this angle is x. Since it is a regular pentagon, its all the angles and all the sides are equal. So AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DE equal to DA, and all the angles are equal to x degree. Now sum of all the interior angle of a pentagon equal to number of sides minus 2 into 180 degree, it is equal to 540 degree. Since all the angles are equal, so 5x, that means these are the angle, all the angles, interior angle equal to 540 degree. So x plus x plus x plus x plus x equal to 5x equal to 540 degree. So x equal to 108 degree. So x equal to 180 degree.